guys, today I'm filming a video all about the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty for spring 2018. I'm going to be sharing with you guys my tips and tricks for shopping this sale. I'm going to give you my personal recommendations, and I'm also going to let you know which deals that I am tempted to buy. And I'm going to start with the tips and tricks portions because for me this is the most important part of the video and the most helpful thing to get the most out of this shopping experience. So the first thing that is very important to know is that these deals only last for one day. Each day there are at least 2 products on sale, and some days have more. Also, there are some products available in store and online. There are some deals that are online only, and there are some deals that are only available to Platinum and Diamond members. They are all clearly labeled so you won't have to worry about getting confused. If these deals do not specifically say online only or platinum, that means they're for everyone. Another very important thing to note is that because these deals are one day only and they're such great prices, these things are going to sell out fast. Because it isn't just us gals and guys that watch YouTube and follow beauty accounts on Instagram that know about these deals. Literally, it's all Ulta shoppers because everybody got their catalog, everybody got their email, everybody knows about this. So I would recommend getting to your store when it opens, or getting online and placing your order as soon as the deals go live. Unfortunately, right now I am not sure what time the deals go live, but I will try to figure that out and have the information in the description box, you guys. And also, if you do plan on going in store, going during your lunch break is a great idea. That's better than wait until the end of the day. But depending on how much product your store has, they might already be gone. Along with that, something important to know is that each person can only get 2 of each product. But let's say that you're buying the Murad cleanser, you can only buy 2 of these. But if you wanted to get the Buxom full-on lip creams, you can only get 2 of every shade. So if you wanted to buy all 3 of these, you could do that. You can just get 2 of each shade, or if it's a product like this that has no shade, you can only get 2 of those total. And that's per person. Also, something that's very exciting to me personally is that all Platinum members and Diamond members receive free shipping on any order that includes one of these beauty steals. So if you buy a $10 mascara, you can get free shipping if you're Platinum or Diamond, which I think is absolutely incredible. And I'm pretty sure for everybody else that Ulta lowers the free shipping threshold to $35 instead of $50. I'm pretty sure that's what they have done for the past couple 21 Days of Beauty. I'm not 100 on that. I'll let you know in the description box, but if you're Platinum or Diamond, that's the best thing. That's why I like buying online, because it's more convenient, and I do get free shipping because I am a Platinum member. Along with that, it is also a great time to pick up any other products that are online only that don't cost enough to get free shipping. For instance, I wanted to try out one of the NYX beauty sponges, and it is online only. So I'm thinking during one of these days, I'm gonna pick it up because I can't go buy it from the store. If you are going to be shopping online, I highly recommend that you go through Ebates so you can get cash back on your purchases. Why not get an even better deal and save even more money? If you guys are unfamiliar with Ebates and you don't already have an account, I will have my referral link down below. If you sign up through my link, I will receive some credit, and after you spend a $25 purchase, you will get $10 credited to your account, which is absolutely amazing. Some great free money there, and then you can also get your friends and family to sign up through your link and earn more money. So if you guys would sign up through my link, I would absolutely appreciate it. But of course you do not have to, but it is not a scam. I don't know how it works, but you do receive money from shopping online. Another thing during this time is make sure that you activate any bonus point offers. You will get these throughout various emails, and if you go to the My Rewards tab on your Ulta account, you can see all of the bonus offers that are available to you, and you can activate them. Now, these will not automatically be activated. You have to actually do it yourself. So make sure you do that for all of the deals, because there was one time I remember when I had gotten a 5 times the points for Bare Minerals, and I was like, nah, I never buy anything from that brand, and I didn't do it. And then a couple days later, a Bare Minerals mascara was part of the 21 Days of bought it and I didn't get the extra points. So I'm not making that mistake again. Go ahead and activate every single offer just in case. It definitely can't hurt you. It can only help. Also, make sure that you follow the Instagram account BeautyBudgetCollection. I will have her Instagram linked down below. She'll be posting about the sale every single day, and she is so great at letting us all know about different coupon codes for freebie products. So make sure that you are following her to get that information. I want to help you guys out as much as possible, get the most for your money. I have gotten so many amazing freebies because of Ashley, so make sure you follow her account. Also, make sure you are paying attention to free gifts with purchase. Now, there are some products that are just free with a coupon code and there is no minimum you have to pay, but then for other freebie products you have to spend $35 from a brand to get a little deluxe size products. If you're buying online, they automatically go into your cart, but if you are buying in store, make sure you are paying attention to that because usually the Ulta employees won't remind you of the free gift. You have to remind them, so just be aware of that as well. And the last thing I wanted to mention before we get into the recommendations is that, as I said, these products will be on sale for one day only, but during this time, Ulta also has products called Hot Buys, and Hot Buys are usually 30 or 40% off, and these products will be on sale for the entire 21 days. Where most of these products are one day only, Hot Buys are for the entire length of the sale, which is amazing. But also, I would want to jump on these as soon as you can because I don't know if they're going to be restocking during this time, and who knows what kind of quantity they have. So make sure that you guys look at those as well because there's still really, really great deals on those products. So I believe those are all for the tips and tricks, and now I'm going to get into the recommendations. So now for the recommendations on the first day of the sale, which is Sunday, March 18th, the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara is going to be on sale for $10. I just have the deluxe size sample here. I'm not going to open it because it is a new mascara still, and I really do enjoy this mascara. It gives some really nice length and volume for me. It does have a natural bristle brush. This is a pretty dry formula, so you do want to use it like right when you buy it, but I do think that is a good mascara. Also on that day, there is a platinum perk for the Lorac Pro 3 palette. It will be on sale for $22, which is a great price. I don't personally like Lorac Pro shadow formula, but if you do, that is a great price for a palette. On March 21st, the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water will be on sale for $16. I do not personally like that. It did nothing for me, but I know that is a very popular product, so that would be a great time to pick it up. Also on March 21st, there is an online only deal for the Persona Identity palette that will also be on sale for $16. I've seen some good hype about that. I won't be picking it up, but I think getting a palette for $16 is amazing, and Persona is a brand that was created by a YouTuber, which I think is really cool. Then on March 22nd, the Buxom Full-On Lip Creams will be on sale for $10, and I want to make sure that you guys know it is the lip cream formula, not the lip polish formula. I actually prefer the creams because these have a smoother finish. They're not as sticky. These are full cream finishes, so there is no glitter or shimmer in them. I do have 3 colors here. This first one is White Russian, a beautiful light pinky nude. I have Creamsicle, which is a really pretty bright creamy peach shade, and then I also have Dolly, which is a mauve. I absolutely love these. I don't think I need any more shades, but I would highly, highly recommend that you guys pick these up. I actually bought these 2 last year during the spring sale, so definitely recommend you guys get these. On March 23rd, the Urban Decay eyeshadow singles will be on sale for $10, and this is what the packaging looks like if you guys have not seen. And I have 2 shades. One of them is in the old packaging, but this is YDK and this is Tease. These are 2 shades that are available in the Naked 2 palette. Absolutely stunning. Definitely recommend these if you've been wanting to try Urban Decay single shadows. I am going to be picking up the shade Relish, which is a matte red, and Spike, which is a matte orange. Now, the Relish shade is in the Urban Decay Troublemaker palette, which is on sale for a really, really cheap price at Sephora right now. But for me, I know I would not use the rest of the colors in that palette. And even though it's a better value, I would rather just buy the single because I know I'll reach for it more. So that's what I'm planning on doing. Also on March 23rd, there is an online only deal where the velour lashes are 50% off. I don't wear lashes, but I know a lot of people love those, so I thought that was a really, really great deal. Also that day, there is an online only deal for the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Refiner Primer. It's going to be on sale for $22.50, which is still pretty pricey, but I know a lot of people love that primer and it's very expensive. I have it, but I have not tried it yet. It's going to be the next one that I'm using. So it's still really pricey for me, but if you've been interested, that is a really good opportunity to get it. Then on March 24th, the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Liner is going to be on sale for $11. I just have a little mini here. This is a felt tip liner. It is really easy to use. I do like this a lot. I prefer brush tip applicators, but if you do like the felt tip, a great opportunity to pick it up for an amazing price. On March 25th, there is an online only platinum perk where you can get the Benefit Professional Face Primer for $15.50. I don't feel like that's like a cool enough product to be an online only platinum perk, but whatever. I don't love that pore filling primer, but I know a lot of people do, so if you are a platinum member, it is a great product to pick up. Then on March 26th, there are a bunch of cool things. So first we have the Becca Backlight Priming Filter and the First Light Priming Filter. These are going to be on sale for $19. And these are new deluxe size samples, but I have tried both of these in the past. And for me, the First Light Primer did absolutely nothing. It didn't really give much of a glow or moisture. So for me, I wouldn't recommend this one, but I actually do like the Backlight Priming Filter. I think it gives a beautiful glow, but it does dry down a bit, so it's a really good glowy primer for oily skin. So I like it. If you're interested, great deal. And then the item that I was tempted to buy, but I'm not going to, is the Lancome Hypnose Drama Mascara. I have a deluxe sample size. This is one of my all-time favorite mascaras. It has a natural bristle brush with like a really cool curve to it that really hugs your lashes, gives them a lot of lift and volume, super duper black. But I love this mascara. I'm so tempted. It's going to be on sale for $13.75, which I know is still expensive, but this mascara full price is like $27, which is stupid, but I'm so tempted. But you guys like don't even understand the amount of backup mini mascaras I have. Oh, we'll see. I'm going to get one for my sister because it's her favorite mascara, but we'll see. You can see how distraught I am over it. On March 27th, the Lorac Pro Contour Palette is going to be on sale for $20. This does also come with a brush. I have tried it in the past. I didn't love it because it has the exact same formula as the shadows do, but the colors in the palette are really nice, and that is a great price for a contour kit. Also on March 27th, there is an online only deal for the Saint Tropez In Shower Gradual Tanning Lotion. It's going to be on sale for $12.50. As y'all can see, I do not use self-tanner, but I know that's a popular brand, so maybe it will be a good time to give it a whirl. I hate that phrase. It's so overused. Then on March 29th, the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara is going to be on sale for $12. I have tried it in the past. I did like it. It has a curve to it. It is a plastic bristle brush. Gives you a lot of length and separation. Also on that day, the Murad Acne Clarifying Cleanser and the Anti-Aging Acne Time Release Cleanser will be on sale. This one will be $15 and then the Anti-Aging will be $19. I bought this last year, I think, and I still haven't used it yet. Murad is a very expensive, very hyped up skincare brand, so if you're interested in either of these products, great time to pick them up, and you do get a lot of product in here, so that's a pretty good dealio. Then on March 30th, the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipsticks will be on sale for $10.50, and I do have two of the shades in Queen Bee and Sellout. I love these, a beautiful light mauve color, and this is like a warm nude. I love these. I think they're so beautiful. Now these are a transfer proof, completely dry down liquid lipstick. They are a little bit on the drying side, but I don't find them to be really uncomfortable. So if you're interested, definitely recommend you guys pick these up. I don't need any more shades, but I was excited for everyone else to see that these were included in the sale. On March 31st, the Anastasia Brow Wiz is on sale for $10.50. I think that's a phenomenal brow pencil. I think the NYX is a good enough dupe, but good time to purchase. And the entire brand of Mario Badescu skincare will be on sale for 25% off. That's already a very affordable skincare brand. On April 1st, there is an online only deal where you can get the Dose of Colors Marvelous Mauves palette for $16. I highly recommend this. I think this is one of the most exciting things on sale. You get 5 matte mauve shades in this palette. The quality is fantastic. It's a little bit powdery, but it is very pigmented, very easy to blend. So definitely recommend you guys pick it up. And it isn't all of the Dose of Colors palettes, it is just the Marvelous Mauves. On April 4th, the Dermablend Translucent Loose Setting Powder will be on sale for $13.50. I just have the deluxe sample size. This is a really nice, finely milled translucent powder, great for setting the under eyes, setting your face for baking. I don't think you need to buy a high-end translucent powder, but if you're interested, I think this is a good one. On April 5th, you can purchase the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. It says from $10 to $12. So from what this is saying, I guess it doesn't just mean the original, but I'm not sure about that. In the picture in the magazine, it just shows the original. So between $10 to $12, I'm not sure which it is. I think that is a phenomenal eyeshadow primer. If I did not already have a backup of an eye primer, I would purchase that. On April 6th, a bunch of Tarte lip products are on sale from the Tarte line. You have the Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint, the Creamy Matte Lip Paint, the Glossy Lip Paint, and the Lip Crayon. Right here, I have a Quick Dry Matte and one of the lip crayons. I also have a glossy one, but I forgot to pull it. But the glosses are actually very opaque and they are not really sticky, but they are a little bit thick. For the Quick Dry Lip Paints, these do have a very thin consistency. They dry down to a completely transfer proof matte finish. They definitely can be a little bit drying, but I don't find it to be incredibly uncomfortable. Then I have a mini of the Tarte lip pencil. Mine right here is in the shade Lauder, a really nice terracotta. I personally do not recommend these lip liners. They are very dry and they do break really easily. I would say get a ColourPop lip liner, but I wanted to show you that I do own this. But if you're going to get any of these, I think the glosses are good and the liquid lipsticks are nice. If there's a color that you like, I think the formula is good, but not necessarily anything really special. Also on April 6th, there is an online only deal for the Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer for $14. I am contemplating purchasing this. The shade Extra Light is very fair in yellow tone, which would be a great blemish concealer, and then the shade Light has more of a neutral undertone and is an amazing under eye concealer and brightener for me. I do not need any under eye concealers right now, but if Ulta has the Extra Light shade, I might buy that for a blemish concealer because I'm almost out of MAC Pro Longwear. I'm still not decided on that one, so I'm glad that it's the last week of the sale, so I've got some time to think about it. But as I said, that is online only. And the last day of the sale is April 7th. One of the items will be MAC Fix Plus. It is going to be on sale for $13. I have used this in the past and I really liked it. I actually was thinking about it recently and considering getting a little mini, which a mini is $10. So to get the full size for $13 is amazing. So I will definitely be picking it up. I feel like this item is going to sell out very quickly. So I'm going to be online as early as possible to get that. Also, there will be the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on sale for $11.50. This is just a little mini. I do really like this mascara. It has an hourglass shaped brush, which has natural bristles, and it is a dry-ish formula. The texture is really creamy. It gives some really beautiful volume and fluttery lashes. Unfortunately on me it does smudge quite a bit, but this is a really good mascara and I don't think this has ever been a part of 21 Days of Beauty before. Tarte mascara is on sale every single year, but I think this is a new product to the sale. So if you love this mascara, a great time to get some backup. So those are all the 21 Days of Beauty deals. As I said, I am going to be getting a couple of Urban Decay shadows and the MAC Fix Plus for sure. I will be on the fence about the Lancome Hypnose Drama Mascara and the Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer. We'll see what I do with those, but I'll get the Urban Decay shadows and MAC Fix Plus for sure. And then the last thing I wanted to talk about were hot buys. And as I said, these are going to be on sale for the entire 21 days. And these are not as good of a deal as the other products. They aren't 50% off, but usually around 30 or 40% off. I'll have them all listed down below, but the only thing that I'm actually interested in would be the Dose of Colors Ideal Duos. Normally these are $25. They're going to be on sale for $15, which means they're 40% off. And I want to get the shade Maple. And this is something I've been considering getting before, but it is so expensive. So basically it is a cream eyeshadow and then you have a glittery pigment and you put them together. I haven't heard the best things about them, so I want to try one out. If I don't like it, it's going back, but this is the perfect time to try it. So those are the things that I plan on getting and the things that I recommend to you guys. Please let me know in the comments what you plan on purchasing from the sale. I always love to hear that. And let me know if you have any extra tips you would like to share with everyone, because that would be greatly appreciated as well. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope that it was helpful in some way to you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.